Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with salt. First, understand that salt lowers the freezing point of ice, creating a much colder environment than ice alone. This allows your ice cream mixture to freeze without needing an electric ice cream maker. We will cover the simple ingredients and steps to create a delicious frozen treat right at home using this clever scientific principle. It's a fun and easy way to enjoy homemade ice cream. To begin, combine 2 cups of half and half, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a small, sealable plastic bag. Make sure to seal this bag tightly, removing as much air as possible. Next, prepare your freezing mixture. Take a larger, gallon-sized plastic bag and fill it with 4 cups of ice and 1/2 cup of rock salt. This creates the super cold bath. Now, carefully place the sealed small bag containing your ice cream mixture inside the larger bag filled with ice and rock salt. Ensure both bags are securely sealed to prevent any leaks. Begin shaking the larger bag vigorously. Continue shaking for about 5 to 10 minutes. You will notice the ice cream mixture inside the smaller bag starting to firm up and thicken. Once your ice cream reaches the desired consistency, carefully remove the small bag from the larger one. It's crucial to rinse the outside of the small bag thoroughly under cold water to remove any salt residue before opening it. Then, simply scoop your freshly made, delicious ice cream into a bowl and enjoy. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.